Okay, I've removed the coverings off the steering column. The top one, the lower one. Both covers do have a plastic retainer, which is a Phillips head screw. You need to unscrew, pull those off. Undo the leather cover, both top and bottom, and you can pull these out. Now the switch is held onto a housing which is held on by two E38 Torx bolts. One right here and one on the bottom there. Once you remove that, this black housing can be moved, and then you can get to the screws that hold the ignition switch in place. There and there. You just scrape off the red seal, I guess you can call it. Unscrew it, but don't remove it, and you should be able to pull this out. Now, I can actually turn on the car, but I believe I have to put my key in. Okay, it didn't start because of the security system, so I could put it in. I don't know if I have to turn the key. Let's find out. Nope. As long as it's in, it'll start. Now I've got everything back, but this is still my original ignition switch. That's 0. Position 1, position 2, and start. If I unplug it, it'll turn off because obviously there's no connection or contacts. So what I'm going to do is, like others have already tried, to open it up and clean it. You just pull on the clip here. Oh, there you go. Boom. There's your ignition switch, and you can actually see the contact points through the holes. Installation is reverse procedure. So I'm going to take a look at this, open it up, maybe clean it out a little bit before I can get a new ignition switch. It's now 5:30 and I don't have time to drive over to the dealer. So I'm going to find a good deal online or locally to see who has the best deal. Right now it's about average cost $70 at the local dealers.